The streets are alive in the city. Tagum, the capital of the province of Davao del Norte, is fast becoming a booming metropolis. Strategically located in the crossroad of Mindanao, Tagum is blessed with the influx of developments in the past years. Its busy streets and sprouting businesses manifest a vibrant economy that makes Tagum one of the progressive cities in the Philippines. But this development carries a corresponding problem.
Way back 1980s and 90s, nagkakalat po yung ating mga vendors dun sa ating mga kalsada. Medyo pangit tingnan kasi nasa mga kalsada sila, tapos iniiwan nila yung mga basura nila.
Sa unang panahon, sa wala pa ang night market, until 9 o'clock lang mi sa gabi kay mulampas mi diha. Grabe naman ka gubot, daghan ng rayot, daghan ng kuan, samok ang palibot. Halos tanan namong mga customer di na gyud mga bot anang mga urasa kay samok naman.
To address these problems, the city government of Tagum, through its city council, passed City Ordinance Number 161 in October 2004, which paved the way for the creation of the night market of Tagum.
Sa adlaw kining kalsada usa ni ka congestive o kanang busy street ni siya. Tungod kay mao ni ang sentro nga kalye sa atong syudad sa Tagum sa komersyo.
5:45 PM sarado na po yung mga daan na yan, ready for the use of night market. Doon na sila tinipon lahat, so wala nang nagkalat na vendors dun sa kalsada. Lahat sila nandun na sa isang area na tinatawag natin ngayong night market.
By the fall of dusk, stalls and businesses sprout like mushrooms in Tagum's night market, transforming a busy street into a vibrant economic scene. Different stalls operate starting at 6 p.m. until 2 in the morning every night, with hundreds of customers frequenting the place to either dine with family and friends, shop used clothing, shoes and bags, kill the time by eating the famous kwek-kwek and balut, or just feel the vibrancy of the night market.
Ganahan, una-una, barato. You have all the choice sa mga pagkaon po. Yeah, lami sad siya. Good for the family. Ginagmay siya pero enjoy ka.
Marami na po akong mga LGUs na napuntahan. May night market din po sila dun. Kaya lang hindi po kagaya sa atin na every night talaga. 7 days a week tayo may night market.
Security management officers and policemen help secure the area with a help from volunteer organizations which take turns in deploying force multipliers who are positioned in vital areas in the night market.
Suporta lang sa amo sa government, city government o Tagum, nakatabang ni sila ha. Kaya kulang man tag mga seguridad sa atong city. So kami voluntary kami nga nagtabang sila ha.
Hygiene and sanitation is also prioritized. The problem on waste management have become a thing of the past as vendors themselves help maintain the cleanliness of their respective areas. Night market vendors and small-scale entrepreneurs benefited the most in the night market operation. The city government of Tagum provided a venue for them to earn more and help themselves.
Ang dako yung tabang diya para sa panginabuhi sa pamilya namo, muna pinaka-number 1 ang among mga kinahanglan nun sa matag adlaw kapag eskwela.
Sobra 50% o 70% pa ang nataas sa amo ang income kay mas nagkadaghan ang tao tungod sa tabang sa LGU.
Sakto masadang income lang mo sa kada gabi nga makahatag og pagkaon o makapaeskwela og anak.
Their entrepreneurial success alleviated them from poverty and also helped others to do the same. At present, there are more than 1,000 workers being employed in the night market who are either parents, out-of-school youth, and working students. One of them is Axel Condag from Cabalbaran City, Nagusan del Sur.
Dako kay kong pagpasalamat ka ungkol na eskwela ko na diri na ako trabaho diri para night market, awas balay ra na eskwela sa buntag.
In the case of Edgardo Abobo, His peanut business became instrumental for him to bring food to his family's table. But his proudest moment as a mani vendor was when her daughter graduated in college.
Ay, dako kong kalipay, ay, di na ako makakuhan nga nga, kapag wali kong anak, maligya ako kong mani. Ganap ko, kaya gidi ay, basta maling kamot ang tao.
The institutionalization of the night market is not only beneficial to the vendors and their employees, but also to the city government as well. Every night, 3 designated collectors in the City Economic Enterprise Office collect taxes through the Arkabala or the cash ticket system as mandated in the Night Market Ordinance, aside from their annual registration fee.
Ang Arkabalas itong kananan, murag tag 5 pesos ang mga taglamisa lamang. Per table ang Arkabalas kananan. O sa atong ukay-ukayan, ang Arkabala, 10 pesos per square meter ang sa atong ukay-ukayan.
So far wala man may reklamo anak kay makita man nato ang syudad nga grabe yung paglambo pod.
Sa akong kabahin, okay lang na siya kay usaman sana siya nakahatag sa gobyerno o kuhaan kining tawag nga makatabang sa sila o makatabang sa mua. Kay ibalik mangyapon na sa serbisyo sama sa suga sa mga tubig nga among ginakuha sa sa luyo. Una ako kasulti nga mayo ng pagdumala gyapon. Sa una og hantod karon mo lang gyapon.
Through this night market program, naturuan po natin ang ating mga vendors at napaintindi natin sa kanila na meron din silang obligasyon na tulungan ang ating community in general by paying the right taxes.
But how does the local government assure that these collections are properly accounted for?
Meron po tayong 3 collectors sa ating night market. Yan po sila, araw-araw po yan nagre-remit ng kanilang collections. Doon naman po tayo sa office, meron tayong internal control system wherein yung mga collectors upon remittance ng kanilang collection, chine-check po yan ng ating revenue collection officer. May chine-check po din yan ng ating controller dun sa ating accountable forms bago po yan ma-remit sa cashier. So, ganun po ang sistema, tapos po deposit dun sa ating account sa economic income. Internal control system namin, everyday po yung audit. Hindi po tayo magre-release ng cash ticket sa mga collectors unless ma-audit po sila. Araw-araw po natin ginagawa. Kaya ma-assure natin na lahat ng perang kinokolekta nila, papasok po yan sa kaban ng bayan.
Nightly average collection can balloon up to 20,000 pesos on regular days. But with many events and festivals being held in the city, which means more tourists, nightly connection in the night market can hike as much as 25,000 pesos. In 2013, the annual collection in the night market reached more than 6 million pesos, sustaining its 6 million average in the last 2 years.
Ang night market, isa siya sa malaking division na nagko-contribute ng income sa overall ng economic enterprise. Last year po, ang total income ng economic enterprise is nasa 87 million po tayo. And 55% of that income bumalik po sa general fund para po i-finance yung ating mga programs and projects po ng City Government of Tagum. Proud po tayo na nakakabigay po tayo ng ganong kalaking percentage sa ating income dun sa general fund kasi po hindi lahat ng LGUs ay nagbibigay dun sa general fund. Usually, yung yung general fund is subsidizing their economic enterprise. Pero sa atin po, it's the other way around. Ang ating pong economic enterprise ay nagbibigay dun sa ating general fund.
With this success story on local governance, the city government of Tagum is eager to sustain the trend. It introduced literacy programs for entrepreneurs and their employees to help them achieve more. A series of lectures on values formation, financial literacy and management, food handling, and solid waste management have been implemented. In 2011, UNESCO awarded the City of Tagum the honorable mention in the King Sejong International Literacy Prize for its peace management, literacy, and continuing education through the night market program.
Hindi po tayo nangongolekta lang Hindi po porque nag-i-earn na yung city government, wala na tayong maibibigay sa kanila. So we are educating our night market vendors na makakatulong sa kanila sa pag-unlad ng kanilang mga businesses.
Tinuod nang inabuhi mi pero wala pa mi mga kahibalo parte ni ana. Mao na nga dako kay nag-impact para sa amo kay at least nakahibalo mi ug unsaon pag padagan sa amo ang panginabuhi, unsaon pag-roll sa amo ang kwarta nga amo ang income, unsaon pud pag-handle, unsaon pagdumala sa amo ang panginabuhi aron mulungtad siya og dugay.
Participatory governance is sacred in the city. The dynamic partnership between the local government and the night market vendors associations is also a major factor in the success of the program.
Actually, meron tayong 5 associations sa night market. Nakakatulong po ito dun sa aming department kasi pag tumatawag po kami ng meeting regarding our concerns dun sa kanilang mga areas, yung president na lang po ang tatawagin namin. Hindi na po kami nahihirapang ipatupad yung aming mga policies kasi may tumutulong na sa amin. Yun yung mga People's Association.
Tanang mga kinahanglan buhaton, tanang mga bawal, tanang amo gyud ang gituman.
As in many other government programs, the night market of Tagum is a work in progress. Currently, the city government is working for some amendments in the Economic Enterprise Code, which includes the provision of the Economic Enterprise Regulatory Board.
Yung composition po ng ating regulatory board, andun po si Mayor, yung City Administrator, yung City Legal Officer, City Treasurer, City Budget Officer, City Engineer, and 2 pong representative, isa po dun sa vendors, sa stallholders, and isa sa consumer group. Kaya dun po may participation po talaga lahat ng sectors dun sa economic enterprise. Kaya andun po yung participatory governance.
This year, 2014, the night market of Tagum observes its 10th year of operation. Vibrant more than ever, it continues to evolve with a dynamic collaboration between the local government and the city in general, thereby creating a sense of community ownership.
Na-sustain natin yung program kasi po we are practicing good governance and transparency. Tsaka po kumikita yung ating mga vendors, and at the same time kumikita din ang city government. Masaya sila, masaya din ang city. Kaya siguro po nasusustain natin yung program.
For as long as the elements of good governance and active people's participation are still present, there is no doubt of the night market of Tagum's sustainability. The night market of Tagum is indeed one of the reasons why Tagumeños exclaim, Tagum, tagumpay!